Hey everyone, so I haven't done my reflections with the video for a little while. I thought I'd do that today. And I went to Mass this morning as well. Then I had a full day of training. And I just want to say thank you to those of you who sent me some money. Unfortunately, I'm still walking with God through the darkness because my mom and I have both cleaned out our bank accounts. We don't have any money left. So I really need to get a good paid job and soon. And being on welfare is not a good system. I thought this GoFundMe would work for me because normally that's how spiritual directors do it in the church. We expected to fundraise our own upkeep, our own salaries. And I thought more people would donate, more companies, but I'm grateful to those who have helped. And I didn't have any milk. I didn't have some of my essentials, so I just went and I bought a few things with the $20 or $50 I had left over. And I'll give some of that money to the church. So thank you for whoever helped and gave us some money, but I'm worried about my mom, just like she's worried about me, because I don't know how people think and how they act and what they do, because my uncles gave people a lot of help who are in this country, including like my aunt's sisters and all of them. And here I am asking for help, and people are telling me that unless I agree to a psychiatric assessment with a family member, they're not going to help me. So I'm like, no, I'm not going to do it. Why should I? When they asked my uncles for help, especially my godfather, did he say to them, yes, I'm going to help you as long as you get a psychiatric assessment? I mean, for me, this is insulting for me and my mom. It's insulting. The first time I did it because I was threatened with arrest. I'm not doing it this time, and I've told everybody, especially all these people who are telling me I need to go and get a psychiatric assessment, I've told them to set up their own medical tests because they obviously need it. They don't like my Facebook posts. They don't like me posting about Elvis. They don't like me saying, I love you, Elvis. I mean, is it that much of a big deal? Really and truly, you need to set up your own medical tests. And secondly, they're not healthcare professionals. Not one of them is a healthcare professional. Maybe in their work they refer people, but I am not part of their work. And secondly, they don't have that authority over me. I have my healthcare set up, I have my system set up, and I am really tired of telling people, including members of my relatives, that I do not need a psychiatric assessment. I'm really tired of it, because even if I tell people that, oh, I had good news from Teleperformance, they had IT issues and they found my file, I get messages being sent to me that we need to address some of these mental health issues that you have. I do not have mental health issues. If you don't believe me, call Teleperformance and ask them. They'll confirm it. Everything has been confirmed. And I am tired of it. I didn't come to this country to sit around, to not work, to be desperate, to go on welfare. I am tired of it. And every time I ask for help, I get put through hell before people help me. I don't deserve to be treated like this. I don't. I even contacted Manjit Singh, who I supported at TD, because he's not here now. He's in Hong Kong. I even contacted him and said, if you have an opportunity for me, please take me and refer me for jobs, because I am tired of how people are treating me. I do not deserve that every time I reach out to ask for some financial help to be told, oh, you need to go and get a psychiatric assessment, otherwise we're not helping you. Who gives you that authority over me? Who? If you want to help, help. If you don't want to help, don't help. Just say no. Don't put conditions on your giving help to people. When you give money to the church or when you give money to a charity, do you go to the priests and the nuns and everybody and say, oh, if you get a psychiatric assessment accompanied by a family member, then we'll give you money? Part of the money that I get goes to help charity. It's also for my upkeep. That's what I am supposed to do. And I've replied to all these emails that people are sending me and messages, because it's not coming from outsiders. It's not coming from the church. It's coming from relatives, and relatives who had a tremendous amount of help from my uncles. My uncle in Prospect and my uncle in California. Their families would not even be in this country without my dad's brother. So I am very insulted by what they're doing and what they're saying about me. It's very inappropriate. And if people tell me, oh, you know what, we don't want you mentioning us on your Facebook and all that, including my sister, I just take it off. You don't want my help? That's fine. It's actually helping you and benefiting you. But if you don't want it mentioned, that's fine. I don't have any problem. My mom and I came into this country and we were treated very badly. When you live with people, they don't treat you like part of their family. You pay your rent one day late, it's a big deal. You don't have money. Not the fact that you are not working doesn't mean anything to them. So you know what? I'm also tired of it. It's very insulting because I saw how my mom treated the relatives when they came home. My aunts, my uncles, my cousins, and I also treated them very well. So you know what? I didn't ask to come here and to be in and out of jobs and all this. And please do not tell me that, oh, it's because we're concerned about you. What a load of rubbish. What a load of rubbish. I got put through hell. I got dragged to the police station. I got dragged to Sunnybrook because of other people having their concerns about my Facebook posts. They are my posts. And if you don't like it and you feel it's inappropriate, that's on you. That's your uncomfortableness. No one else has a problem with it. People know. I'm also a public figure. People want to know, because if I tell them, then they can give me money, then they can help me. Don't think that you have authority over me. You do not. And if you think that you can give me money and put conditions on it, you cannot. Are you a bank? I will not accept any conditions being put on me. The conditions put on me are by the government because they are giving me money. But if you want to give me money, if you want to help, then help. Don't put conditions on me. And be grateful that my godfather helped you, that my uncles helped you. Because you know what? It's insulting to them. And it's insulting to me that when I ask for help, people turn around, especially relatives, and say that I have mental health problems. There are millions of people who post messages to Bono and Sting and say, I love you, Elvis, but always it's me that gets picked on. And I am tired of people taking it out on me. I don't deserve it. And I said it before and I'll say it again. I should have stayed in Zimbabwe because I came here and I got put through hell. And not by strangers. No, by my own relatives and my own family. I got put through hell. You know what? I am not going to take any more being taken to the police station, being dragged to Sunnybrook. If anybody is following me and is on my wall, just disconnect. You don't like what I'm posting? Disconnect. You don't like my message? Good. Because I've gone through hell to bring my mother to Canada to reunite the family, and I'm the one that gets left out. I'm the one that doesn't get visited. I'm the one that gets treated with disrespect. And frankly, I've had enough of it. I have had enough of it. I'm the one that had to work and study, get my master's, go to South Africa, live there on my own. No one else did that in my family. And frankly, If you think that you're better than me, you better watch it. Because you're not. You're not. So you would rather me go now like I am on Ontario Works and go on welfare rather than help me a little bit with some money. That's how you think. Yeah, I feel sorry for you because you know what? In a different lifetime, it would have been me and our family that my dad's brothers would have sponsored first, not you. But because my dad died, they couldn't take us. And they fought. They fought. They asked MPs. They tried every avenue. But God blessed you. So you landed up with the property and the cars and all the favor. And not me. Everything I've done on my own. So show me some respect. I've sure earned it. And it's only by God's grace that I'm even alive. So stop causing problems for me. You don't like my Facebook posts? Go and get psychiatric care. Go and talk to the psychiatrist about how you don't like people's Facebook posts and how it's upsetting you and how you don't like social media. Go and talk to them about it. Because frankly, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. And I'm making my own decisions. And that's what the gospel was about today. And about Susanna. They wanted to trap Susanna just like they wanted to trap Jesus. But God's grace saved both. Don't think that you're better than somebody else or that your sin is less than somebody else. Don't think that, because it's not. Because of God's mercy and God's justice combined, you have better than me. You get better treatment than me. You get the bed to sleep on when you visit people. You get welcomed into people's homes. That's God's grace. So don't think that God is not walking with me in this injustice that I go through. He is. And all those stupid messages calling me nigger, saying, oh, we're going to have a harem party at your house, we're sending you lube. Those are the people that need to have a psychiatric assessment, not me. Not somebody who has sponsored their mother on their own, brought her to Canada, and hardly gets to see her. Not me. Look at your own situation first. Look at your own lives first. I am right to ask for help. I am right to reach out when I need it. I am right to do it. Examine your own hearts, just like I examine mine. You think I like asking people for money? You think I like being out of work? You think I like sitting at home for close to 2 years? Examine your hearts.